Supposed biblical error, the stone at Jesus' tomb. In the Gospels, it records that the tomb Jesus' body was placed in had a great stone rolled in front of it. However, archaeologist Amos Kloner has demonstrated that of the 900 Second Temple period tombs found around Jerusalem, only 4 have been discovered with a circular-shaped stone. And these tombs belong to the wealthiest or royal families in the area. The Gospels say Jesus was buried in the tomb of Joseph of Arimathea, and it is unlikely he would have had one of the most expensive tombs in the area. Most tombs from that time period utilized a court-shaped stone to seal them, and they were more square-shaped. So when the biblical authors say the stone needed rolled away, are they incorrectly describing the stone and showing us the tomb of Jesus was a legendary development? I think this is an example of some skeptics being too nitpicky. You can describe large stones in general as needing to be rolled. Dale Allison says, Kloner suggests that these words could refer to rolling or moving an unrounded object. This seems plausible. The passages Allison cite seem to show that unshaped or imperfectly round objects can be described as being rolled. After all, in Mark 9:20, a demon-possessed boy is described as rolling, and it is pretty obvious that human children are not perfectly round. So non-round objects, or people, can be described as rolling. Shimon Gibson says, from my own back-breaking experience in archaeological excavations, with the opening of stone doors of tombs, it is clear to me that even a rectangular or square stone had to be rolled in and out of position when a tomb was being closed or opened. There are hundreds of examples of tombs from this period in the Jerusalem area, with small entrances sealed with rectangular or square doors. So an archaeologist working in the area would also describe square-shaped stones as needing to be rolled. Also, when we look at other details, it seems the Gospel of Matthew implicitly suggests the stone was not the ancient version of a carved round stone, but more likely a boulder-type stone, because he says one of the angels sat on the stone. Amos Kloner notes, in Matthew 28, an angel sits on the stone after rolling it back. If the stone had been rolled back between 2 walls, as was the case with Second Temple period round stones, it would have been impossible to sit on it. Indeed, it would be difficult to sit on the edge of a disc-shaped stone, even if it had been pulled back from the tomb entrance. A square blocking stone would make a much better perch. So there is no reason to suggest the Gospels necessarily are implying an expensive, circular-shaped stone by saying it was rolled. The average type of stone used to seal tombs can perfectly fit with this description as well. So this alleged error is a good example of what it means to be nitpicky and being uncharitable in your interpretation. And so this supposed error can be resolved.